Diving into literature, analyzing and interpreting for beginners. Hello and welcome, literature enthusiasts. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey of analyzing and interpreting literature. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools and knowledge necessary to delve deeper into your favorite works of literature and, importantly, draw out their hidden meanings. Understanding literature goes far beyond simply reading the words on the page. It requires digging deeper into the text to unlock its layers of meaning. Analyzing literature involves breaking down the text into smaller parts and examining how those parts work together to create meaning. We'll be looking at elements such as characters, themes, setting, and plot, among others. Interpreting literature, on the other hand, involves understanding the significance or the broader meaning of those elements in the context of the entire work. This is where we get to express our thoughts on the work's messages and implications. Critical reading is the first step towards effective literature analysis. This means not just reading to understand what happens in the story, but questioning why it happens. When you're reading critically, it's helpful to make notes as you go. This is where annotating comes in. Annotations can be as simple as underlining or highlighting key passages, or jotting down questions, comments, or ideas in the margins. It's all about engaging actively with the text rather than passively reading. Let's now delve deeper into the main elements you should pay attention to when analyzing literature. Character analysis. Explore the motivations, personalities, and roles of the characters. Are they static, unchanging, or dynamic, evolving throughout the story? Theme analysis. Themes are the central topics or messages of the story. Identifying the themes can reveal the author's viewpoint on a particular subject. Setting analysis. The setting can greatly influence a story's mood and characters. How does the time and place of the story affect the events and characters? Plot analysis. The plot is the sequence of events in a story. Consider the structure of the plot and any significant events, twists, or conflicts. Remember, each of these elements does not exist in isolation. They interconnect to create a rich tapestry of meaning in the text. Interpretation is all about expressing your understanding of the literature. You're weaving together your observations from the analysis and giving them a broader significance in the context of the whole work. Interpretation is subjective. Different readers can interpret the same text differently, and that's okay. Literature is meant to be a conversation, not a monologue. That wraps up our journey into the world of literature analysis and interpretation. Remember, this is just a starting point. As you read more and more, you'll develop your unique way of analyzing and interpreting literature. Happy reading, and until next time, keep delving deeper into the pages. Note: analysis and interpretation can be a challenging process, but don't be discouraged. The beauty of literature is that there's always more to discover and understand. Don't hesitate to reread and reanalyze texts. You might be surprised by what you find on the second or third reading.